Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big to you. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to more.
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Naledi and thank you for joining us on today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for the love. Please do not forget to like, to comment and to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is a vlog and we are in Durban. I got here not too long ago. Right now I'm just standing outside the apartment that I need to check in. They've not opened the gate for me, but we are in Durban and I'm really excited to be here because for the first time I'm here with my friends and not my family. So I hope that we're going to have a good time. So I'm just gonna go in and change or call my friends and find out where they are, and then okay, now they just opened the gate, and then I'll definitely take you dolls with me everywhere where we go. I'll definitely take you dolls everywhere where we go. So I just got here, so I'm just gonna check into the apartment, change if I need to, and then meet up with them. But for now, let me just try to get myself together and then I'll update you dolls. So I just came to give you dolls an update. So we came really early, it's like 9:30 and check-in is only at 2 o'clock, but they did allow us to leave our bags. So I just left my bags and now we're going to the mall. My friends are already there, so they just sent me the name of the mall and I requested, so we're just gonna meet at the mall now. I did need to go to the mall because I do need a few things from Zara, a few things from Woolies, and the setting spray from Mr. Price. So I'm just waiting outside the apartment right now, waiting for my Uber, and I guess I'll see you dolls when we get to the mall.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn. I guess I am. So that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you?